Yo, what's up YouTube? So as you already saw the video prior before, this is a unboxing Mauvais review video. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on the shirt, the clothes. This is my first time buying from Mauvais official. Again, I'm only heard about this company due to Keny.chau, as you guys can see. This is not an ad or anything like that, but this guy's style is just like super clean always. So he inspired me to pick up an order. So please, if you guys like the content, like, subscribe to the video. But this one's a little bit more of a classy kind of feel. So I like the plaid kind of look, the flannel, so I like that a lot. That's why I got it, and I like the shirt fitting. So I'm gonna show you guys the full fit. Boom, right here, see? Can't really show you guys the shipping label, but here, maybe I can show you guys this. Yeah, Mauvais something, there you go. So I'm gonna open this here. Boom. This is the shirt I ordered. So this is their packaging. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says Mauvais right here. The pants I got a size 28. So typically I kind of gauge off of this. Legend London's I order 28. With Mauvais I order 28 as well, just because my waist typically is a 28, but a 28 in pattern is way too tight, so I have to go 30. So the whole time I always thought I was a 30. But when it comes to these kind of sizes, I have to size down. So I'll put it on, I'll tell you guys how it feels. But let's open this. But, boom. And if you guys can check out their Instagram, they're pretty big on Instagram here. So this is the pants. A little bit tapered at the bottom. If I were to wear these pants, I'd probably rock, I don't know about NMDs, but maybe I would rock some like white Vans. But these are clean. I like it. I like the black pinstripe here down the line. Nice. I got this shirt just because of this right here. I like the fitting arm kind of look. The shirt, I did get this in a medium. See? So I got, the printing on here is like a 3D print. So it's nice. What I'm gonna do is shower, and then I'm gonna put this on for you guys. Okay, I just got out of the shower, sorry guys, my hair's a little wet, but this is the shirt. I'll do like a full 360 video so you guys can see. This is the shorts. I knew it was gonna be a 28, because look, perfect fit. The garments here are very, very stretchy. So as you guys can tell, there's a good stretch to it, but this fits me really, really well. Like, I'm actually really impressed. Okay, so I put on my hat. Like I said, it fits really, really well. The pants, the shirt. But yeah, hope this gives you guys a much better idea on the product. Thank you so much for watching my review video. I appreciate you guys so much. If you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button like I said. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace and love, baby.
I walk the fire.